Okay, today I'm going to talk about gravity here. I have a character and I have a land object here. So basically, this is how it's going to be set up. He's going to fall and he's going to stop and land on the land mask right here. I'll show you how that looks right now, and then I'll go into the coding part. See how he falls real quick and he lands right on the object, and he lands right there. And I'll show you how that works for the collision. Alright, so in the land mask here, I have it set to solid, and I have a depth at -10, and that's how it's going to be set up for that part. And then go into the edit, go into the modify mask. This is where the collision happens, and I have it set where the character is going to drop and stop right in this area right here. So all this dark area right here, this is where he's going to have a collision and stop right in that area there. So if I did this, if I made it automatic, that means he would land and stop right on the top there. But that's not where I want him to stop at. I want him to stop kind of right in this area right here. So I go to manual, change the top to like maybe 20. And so basically he's then going to stop right in this area here. So remember, the white area is the area where the light white area is where the area where he's going to stop at, or I'm sorry, the dark area is where he's going to stop at. So then I press OK on that. Now it's modified. So just make sure that the land mask is set to solid and is visible, of course, and I have a depth at -10. The depth represents how far. So basically, if I have the depth at 0 or I don't know, -9, then it's going to be in like the background, because I have the character set to -20. So -20 means that he's going to be in front of the object. So that means the character is going to be in front of the object, and the landmass is going to be behind him because I have it -9. Now if I change this to -21, then that means that the landmass would be in front of the character. So just remember that the minus, it just depends on the number you put in for each object. So the higher the number and the lower number for this area, then this is going to be behind, this is going to be in front. Alright. So in the person setup, I basically went into the add event, clicked on step, then went into the control tab and dragged over a coded sheet. In the coded sheet, this is how I have the gravity set up. I say if place _ meeting parentheses x comma y +1 comma land represents the object is the land. Then I have a brace, gravity equals 10 semicolon. 10 represents how fast he's going to come down and stop on the land mass, the collision. And then I have a brace, else, brace, gravity equals 0, parenthesis, semicolon, and then brace. So basically, and I'll put this information in the description down below, so you can just copy and paste this information into your gravity object. I'm not sure why this is set at 0 for this gravity, but this has to remain 0. This is the number you can change on this gravity. So if you change this to 5, that means that he will move slower and hit the object. So it'll take longer for him to hit the landmass if you set this to a lower number. So higher number means that he's going to go down quicker. Lower number means he's going to go down slower. So if I change this to like 5 here, I'll show you what I mean. Press OK. Press OK there, and then you'll see what happens here. See, he fell down a little slower. Change this to like 20, and he should go faster. See how fast he went. And then, so for me, I just keep it at 10. To me, 10 is pretty good. Alright, so now, then you have to have, when he makes a collision, you go to add event, collision with landmask. I have in the actions I dragged over, or in the move tab, I just have it set to direction 0. I mean, right in the middle. I clicked it in the middle, and then at speed I put it 0. So when he hits the landmask, he's going to stop. And right now I don't have any arrows, directional arrows right now for him to move back and forth. This is just a simple gravity test. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video.